Hello, my fellow Americans, and welcome back to another episode of Model Monday here on the Small Addictions YouTube channel. My name is Braden, and this week we've got a large selection of new models, including some planes, boats, and even some cool new Stranger Things. First off this week, from Fujimi, we have the 1973 Skyline GTR two-door. This is a 24 scale model of the 1973 Nissan Skyline GTR. The model faithfully reproduces the S20 type engine, a 2-liter inline-six, which was based on the Prince R8 engine. The model also faithfully recreates the car's more aggressive design. Whether you're into Japanese cars or motorsport history, this model is a fantastic choice for you. Next up is the Arma Hobby F4 Wildcat in 72nd scale. The Grumman F4 Wildcat was the fighter aircraft that played a pivotal role in the early stages of World War II, especially in the Pacific theater. The model itself comes with 73 finely molded parts for a detailed build. The surface features fine recessed panel lines, contributing to a highly realistic appearance. The engine and cockpit details are particularly well done, with multi-piece construction for an authentic look. The kit also includes two early war decal schemes of blue-gray and light gold-gray. Whether you're building it for display or as part of a historical collection, the Wildcat is a great tribute to one of the most iconic planes in World War II. Next we have the Arma Hobby P51B Mustang. This model is beautifully molded with the exceptional interior and surface detailing. The assembly process is laid out in 24 steps with clear sketches and precise painting instructions to guide you through. The kit features exquisite molding. The parts are molded with a slightly matte finish, capturing the panels, rivet lines, and apertures with high precision. The interior is well detailed, featuring replicated cockpit structures and instruments, as well as the tail wheel aperture. The kit also includes shrouded and unshrouded exhaust, flat and bulged canopies, a choice of weapon fits. The decals on the model feature 4 different color schemes as shown on the box, as well as a bonus decal for an earlier variant with the side opening canopy. A fun fact for you guys, the P in P51 stands for pimp, because this plane was a pimp in the skies. Next we have the 48 scale Reconnaissance Hurricane Mark IIB from Arma Hobby. This limited edition model features unique reconnaissance features for collectors and the kit includes 3 decal options representing different air forces and time periods. The kit also includes 3D printed conversion parts for each marking option, including camera components and multiple cockpit camera controls for added realism. This kit is perfect for hurricane enthusiasts and World War II aircraft modelers. Firstly from Tamiya this week, we have the Ukrainian M1A1 from Tamiya. This model faithfully captures the M1A1, with depictions of the flat armor surfaces and the 120mm smoothbore gun. Engine room grills and armor weld lines add a further layer of detail to the model. It also features belt-type depictions of tracks. Nylon mesh is included for recreation of the turret rack cover, and markings for tanks provided to Ukraine are included. This limited release comes with all new box art and decal. Next we have the BC Hood and E-Class Destroyer kit from Tamiya in 700 scale. This kit includes both the British battlecruiser Hood and the E-Class Destroyer. The E-Class Destroyer features a left-right half design for simple assembly, and features faithful details including portals, bridge, deck, and a flared center of the hood. Both the Hood's main guns and E-Class guns and torpedo launchers are designed to be movable, thanks to the use of polycaps. And the kit comes with marking numbers for all 9 E-Class destroyers produced. This detailed kit is a fantastic choice for those interested in British naval history and collectors of classic World War II ships. Next we have the Matsu Destroyer in 700 scale from Tamiya. This 700 scale model kit beautifully recreates the Yamato in her final form as she sailed towards Okinawa on her last mission. The model captures the flare of the bow and the armor belts along her side, staying true to the ship's iconic design. It features the main turrets, secondary 15.5 centimeter gun turrets. It features the main turrets, secondary gun turrets, and extensive anti-aircraft armaments. The kit also includes parts to depict rangefinders, radars, and cranes, allowing for a highly detailed and authentic finish. The Yamato was the largest battleship ever built, and this model is perfect for history buffs and naval enthusiasts looking to add a piece of maritime legacy to their collection. And finally, from Tamiya this week, we have the Japanese battleship Yamato. This model reflects the unique design of the Tei-type destroyers, including the offset second funnel positioned to the right. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, I have no clue how to pronounce that. The model includes highly detailed main turrets and numerous 25mm anti-aircraft guns. The inclusion of these intricate details make it a great addition for both model builders and naval history enthusiasts. Next from AMT, we have the 1964 Olds F-85 Streaker. For the first time since 1969, the iconic 1964 Streaker funny car is back. This legendary drag racing machine has been revived with nearly all new tooling, making it a perfect addition to any vintage car collection or for fans of classic American drag racing. The kit features 80 parts for detailed assembly and is molded in white, clear, and transparent red. It also includes chrome-plated parts for an authentic vintage look. The tires are black vinyl M&H drag slicks for realistic racing stance. This is a must-have for any classic car enthusiasts, model builders, and drag racing fans alike. Next up, we have Revell's Stranger Things line.
Straight out of Stranger Things Season 4 is the iconic Surfer Boy Pizza VW T3 delivery van, driven by the character Argyle. This is the 1/25th scale model kit that perfectly captures the 1980s pizza restaurant experience. Newly designed parts like the roof sign to accurately recreate the van's on-screen look. Hold on to your butts, Broncos. This model kit brings Argyle's legendary van to life, perfect for Stranger Things enthusiasts and retro car lovers alike. From the first 3 seasons of Stranger Things, this is the legendary 1985 Chevrolet K5 Blazer, driven by the town's very own Chief Jim Hopper, the fearless chief of police in Hawkins, Indiana. This model features new tooling to recreate the unforgettable square body design of the vehicle, accurate rooftop light bars and police radio, and even Chief Hopper's hat for the ultimate show-accurate display. This model kit is a must-have for Stranger Things fans. Next up, we have this iconic piece of pop culture, introducing the Revell 79 Chevy Camaro, Billy's main vehicle from the hit Netflix show Stranger Things. This model is featured with 80s style parts for a period correct street machine look, including a supercharged engine and custom wheels. This kit is a must-have for Stranger Things fans and classic American muscle car heads alike. Stay strange, and we'll see you next week.